Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US 30 and US 100. Right now both of the markets are at critical resistance level. For US 100 and my weekly analysis as I shared 15800 is something we'll be looking forward to, and for US 30 we can say that 34800 to 900 zone is very important. Any movement beyond this will definitely take it forward towards 35,000 plus levels we might be looking at. So what lies ahead for the day? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets including US 30, US 100, UK 40, UK 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty and gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas as well. So let's start what lies ahead for the day. Let's have a look at the charts. US 100 trading at 15 7 10 levels. Now this is a weekly chart. The week is has just begun, and right now it is indecisive, trading between 15600 to 15800 levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Rather I will directly move towards the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts we can see that let me the pivot is right now here at around 15,750 levels, and from here we can see that it has seen a drop, it has seen a rise. Probably see the width right now it is lying at around 15,830 levels probably. So if it goes, if it continues to go in the bull run, probably we might be looking at 15,830, and on the downside 15,580 should be the target. So a wider range is possible, and since the volatility is high, the markets will also try to trade in a volatile fashion, and hence 15,830 is something we'll be looking forward to. Any move beyond 15,830 will be a good indication that it is trying to head towards. Now see, this was the time when we can see probably it has touched higher highs after that, and it has broken down significantly. So here also it is trying to do the same thing. Can you look at the pattern? Let me eliminate this thing. Now look at the pattern here: higher highs, lower lows, pivot, and then achieving highs, and after that a significant drop. Now similar pattern is getting followed here too. We can look forward to 15,830 levels, 15,820 levels, and from there it might try to reverse again and head towards 15,580 probably. Here it might try to get a little support. Now look at this. Why I'm saying that after the rise it might try to drop, because see, this is the kind of pattern or kind of, you know fall which we have seen in the previous candle, and this candle is trying to that the body is significantly higher or bigger than compared to previous candles. Now look at this, the opening here is also at par, it has formed a tail. So probably it might try to hit 15,830, and if it retraces back again, then it might try to again head towards 15,580 also. On a 3-hour chart, similar formation, but here again similarly we will be looking forward to 15,828.30 levels, and from there it might try to retrace back, and possibly it might be looking forward to 15,580 levels. That is what it appears. On the 2-hour charts it is kind of reversal which we'll be looking forward to. See, after a couple of red candles it is shown this reversal here. The opening is above this body, and hence probably we'll be looking forward to a reversal from here, and we'll be looking forward to 15,830 levels probably. And after that we need to also see that if it drops below 15,660 levels, then definitely you can go short for 15,580 580 levels possibly we might be looking forward to. So we have seen on an hourly chart. Now this is the last chart which we will be referring to. On an hourly chart it appears that here it is kind of bullish engulfing, and we can expect that possibly we'll be looking forward to see the similar rise from 600 to 700 levels, and from here 660 to 760. So probably it might be trying to head towards 16,760, and then 15,830 levels also. So on the daily charts, now coming to the daily charts, you can find that the candle is red, it has seen a low, it has seen a possible high, and hence it might try to trade between this zone, that is 15,830 to 15,580 levels, and possibly if it continues to rise from here, we can expect a sharper rise which might take it towards 16,000 plus levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators front, on the daily charts, you will find that 100 moving average, giving it a support sharply, and you can see that the previous candle on the daily chart, it has got from 100 exponential moving average the support from the 100 exponential moving average, and today again similarly the support might come in between 15500 550 level. If it continues to break below 15580, then and then only, else 15600 might try to act as a support and then head towards 15830 levels. Now the DPO is on sell zone. The stochastic on daily charts is hitting a bottom here, so probably a rise can be expected. MACD lines are divergent and probably a crossover can be expected. RSI is comfortable, and hence let's have a look at the 4-hour charts also. I'll give you the levels. Just let me finish. Now look at here. As I said, here the pivot is right now at around, as I said, the pivot is right now here at around 15750 levels, and any rise beyond 15750 will definitely try to take it towards 15780, 15820, 830 levels. And on the downside, if it breaks 15660 levels, then we will be looking forward to 15630 and 15580 levels. And on the 4-hour charts, it is stochastic on the rise, crossover probable in from the MACD lines, and similarly on the 3-hour charts you can see that similar formation, and 2-hour charts are hourly charts also indicative of same, and hence we can expect that probably markets might try to reverse from here. So considering this, now till the time it is above 15660, you can remain long. My first target is 15750, and after that 15780, then 15820. So from here to here it's quite a good rise. You can make a good profit out of it. So till the time it is above 15660, you can remain long and you can expect it to rise. But if it drops below 15660, at this point itself you can go short and you can expect it to hit 15630, the first target, 15600 the next support, 15575 the next support, and below that definitely it will try to hit forward to 15540. Possibly these are markets, anything is possible, but I am somehow looking forward to a rise today. We can expect a range between 15580 to 15830 levels. Any rise beyond 15830 will be a bonus, and it will definitely try to take it towards 15900 plus levels. So trade accordingly, friends. And now let's move towards US30. US30 on an hourly chart, you can see that it has got its resistance intact here in this zone between 15750 to 15850 levels. It is trying to trade in. After this, it has got its drop, then a single bullish candle which took it towards upside towards 800 levels. Now it is again trying to form the same candle, and hence it might try to hit from 34,650 to 34,800. We have seen almost 140 points, and from here we can again expect almost 140 points, which might try to take it towards 34,950 levels. And that is what we can expect, 34,950 probably, and beyond that we can expect 35,000 plus levels also. So this is on a hourly chart. On a 2-hour chart we can see that the candle is red, and also we must not forget that the previous candle is a bullish candle. We have seen also, you can probably look at this. So any rise beyond 34,870 will be a very good indication to go long towards 35,000 levels, as the body size might continuously increase. First, it might try to form a low here, form a tail. So, and hence 34,740 levels probably will be again a good level to go long, and then expect it might try to hit 35,000 levels. Probably if it goes past 34,870 levels, then only. On a 3-hour chart also similar formation, but here also we can expect that after 34,870 we can expect, or rather 34,880, we can expect it to continue rising towards 35,000 levels. else it might try to form this and hence head towards 34,600. On a 4-hour chart, similar formation on a 4-hour chart, but yes, here you can expect that probably it might try to look forward to it. So any rise beyond 34,880 levels will be a very good indication to go long, to remain long on US 30, or else this level at 34,600, if it tries to drop, goes below 34,700, you can remain short. You can expect it to head till towards 34,600 levels, and from there again it might try to rise past 34,880 levels. On a daily chart, the candle is green, and you can see that the body size might continue to increase, and hence we will be looking forward to 35,000 levels tonight probably, and that is what is my expectation. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators front, you will find that there is a resistance available till 35,000. I told you previously also that 35,000 is the important psychological resistance. After that, till 35,200 we might not be having any resistance, and it might try to continue hitting and goes rising towards 35,200, 300 levels. The stochastic is comfortable, and MACD lines are curving together, probably trying to rise. RSI is comfortable. 4-hour chart, similar formation, and you will find that the stochastic is almost in a overbought position, and hence a drop cannot be also denied. A drop can be also expected. MACD lines are divergent and are in a buy zone. If you look at 3-hour charts, overbought and trying to drop from here, and you will find that support at around 34,650 and 34,720 to come in handy. Also, you should not forget that the 3-hour charts, it is getting support from this 50 period exponential moving average at around 34,780 levels, and probably a resistance at around 34,850 levels, and hence any break beyond these are good indication that we are going to go short or long. So now coming back to, let me give you the levels here. So for now, if you see till the time it is about 34,780, you can remain long, and you can expect it to any long. First of all, 34,780 and 34,880, I think you should avoid rather these 100 points, and any rise beyond 34,880 will be very good indication that we'll be looking forward to 34,920, 34,970 and 35,000. So my target is basically 35,000 we will be looking forward to tonight, and US 30 might even try to cross 35,000, where it might try to head towards 35,050. Again, wilder moves can be expected. Below 34,780 we can expect, or we can rather remain short and expect it to head towards 34,720, the first target. Second target towards 34,660, then 34,600. So here we might get a little support. Any break below 34,600 will be a very good indication that it might try to drop further towards 34,500 levels and below. However, I expect it to at least hit 35,000 today, and you can take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. You can join my mentorship course, which will definitely help you become a professional trader or independent trader at least, and reach out to me via my Telegram channel or via email. The links are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.